friends, myself Prerna Goyal, a motivational speaker and a spoken English trainer. Friends, today I am in deep sorrow for thinking that womanhood is the curse or the proud for us. Therefore, I think it is time to notice the psychology of some people who are victims of such events which are staying on the society, shame to their parents and defame to the nation as well worldwide. I think they must be guilty for their act happened by them. But all that may be situational, frustration, jealousy, competition or some type of revenge. Or otherwise it is a disease, means abnormality caused by the lifestyle of the present era. Even it may be long separation from the family due to overburdened work pressure in different places. As I believe it can't be due to need of money, attraction, beauty or physical demand. Because if it is so, then rather we love that person to fulfill the demand forever. Friends, it can be impact of watching some wrong type of movies or serials as well to provoke them for such wrong act. Otherwise, it is inhumane as we can't enjoy this act in someone's pain. I think it has put down the head of every man in the shame as they are not able to counsel their buddies. Friends, we all respect females in every role of our life, so how can we even think of such shameful act? Friends, a female is always proud of all the males who provides her protection as brother, father, uncle, police, teacher, doctor, etc. So please take care of your lifestyle. Have partners on right time to fulfill your demands rather than passing your frustration on others. I request, though I am highly concerned for all the males and females, but culprit must be punished so seriously that so no one else can dare to repeat such act even in the dream. Friends, already many people are not able to get married because they don't trust each other. And they also say nowadays a woman has changed. But friends, you are writing your destiny by yourself that no one will ever trust your love. So be savior of your future, otherwise women can ever change into the goddess called Chandi, which will destroy your future forever. Because love is only for loved ones, and love is not only physical, it is emotional. And revenge, revolt, reaction or competition can destroy the life forever. Okay friends, so I hope you understand the need of today, that women needs protection to work, to be with you everywhere in every part of your life. So please respect women everywhere, in every country, in every world, in any way. Okay, thanks, welcome.